have got such a wonderful response from the colleges who are running MSc Chemistry from all over from SGBA, Amravati University. I really appreciate the head of the department of that colleges and their student participants for their efforts to represent their college in this seminar competition. The third link of video presentation to us in which they have interacted with the jury member. The most important responsibility of evaluation of presentation was carried out by our jury member, Dr. N.H. Bansod sir and Dr. N.S. Kadu sir. Are you audible? Anyone please reply, are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The most important responsibility of evaluation of presentation was carried out by the two jury member, Dr. N.H. Bansod sir and Dr. N.S. Kadu sir. So, though I am delivering the introductory speech, but it is my prime duty to thank the jury member, both of the jury member who have given their valuable time for us. I express my thankfulness and gratefulness to the President of OCTA, Dr. P.R. Rajput sir, for giving us opportunity to conduct this competition. I want to thank the Secretary of OCTA for believing on us and for your generous help throughout the conduction. And this is I again want to thank Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir and Dr. P.T. Agrawal madam. This is all due to the guidance and the support of our beloved principal Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir, who always gives us full of freedom and always stand by us. And support given by Dr. P.T. Agrawal madam was really feel the air of confidence. Support given by Dr. P.T. Agrawal madam was really feel the air of confidence in me to conduct this kind of event. Bringing out such a beautiful event wouldn't be possible without the help of my teacher colleague, Dr. A.G. Saraf, who is a member of organizing committee and also looking after the technical assistance, Dr. Pradeep Devhade sir, Dr. Heda madam, Mr. Zaite sir, Mr. Devtale sir, and Bansod madam, who is conducting this event right now. I want to thank each and every one of you who supported us wholeheartedly and generously. Thank you very much. Over to you, Bansod ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir. We feel privileged to have the renowned academician and inaugural guest, Dr. S.P. Kulkarni sir with us. He was ex-head of the Department of Chemistry of Adarsha Mahavidyalaya College, Dhamangad Railway. I request to Dr. S.P. Kulkarni sir to enlighten us with his inaugural speech. Over to you, Dr. Kulkarni sir.
Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Dr.
Yes, sir.
Kulkarni here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Honorable Chairman of this inaugural session, Dr. Narayan Sakola, Honorable President of OCTA, Dr. Rajput, Principal SSS KR Innani College, Karanja Lad, other dignitaries, colleagues, and student friends. Good afternoon to all of you, and I extend my New Year's greetings to all of you. Friends, I feel extremely honored and privileged to be amongst you this afternoon for the inaugural session of this seminar competition. I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to inaugurate this seminar competition. At the outset, I declare that the seminar competition for MSc 2 students is open and wish all the participants a very good luck. Friends, all of you understand the importance of seminar competition. This activity provides you a platform to express yourself precisely and effectively on a pre-decided topic. After your post-graduation, you may enter into a job market or join in some good research organization. The prerequisite to get selected for a given position is a clear understanding of the fundamentals of chemistry. You can prove yourself before the panel of interviewers by presenting the subject matter precisely and answering the relevant questions. In my view, participation in any competition is most important because Without that, you can't think of winning the first prize. Friends, and hence I congratulate all the participants in this competition. Since the broad topic of today's competition is analytical chemistry, I would like to say a few words about it. The importance of analytical chemistry in chemist career can be understood from the fact that it has been made a compulsory part of the MSc curriculum. Knowledge of analytical chemistry is necessary to solve real-life problems. In fact, the recent advances in the fields of environmental sciences and life sciences became possible due to the availability of very sophisticated trace analytical techniques. Here I would like to give you, friends, particularly to the participants and student friends, a word of caution. The credibility of the analytical data is very important. Without that, no meaningful conclusions can be drawn in a given study. Very often, a chemist is encountered to make a proper choice of the analytical technique to solve a problem at hand. And the question is how to choose a proper analytical technique in a given situation. Now, this can be done on the basis of several parameters like the accuracy, the precision, sensitivity, sample size, physical state of the sample, possibility of multiple elemental analysis, possibility of non-destructive analysis, speed of analysis, cost of analysis, and availability of the state-of-the-art instruments and the expertise to handle them. Friends, I'm really very happy to be with you this afternoon. I once again wish a very good luck to all the participants, not for this competition only, but for their bright future. And I once again thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this very good activity. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening remarks. Benjamin Franklin had said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn." Sir, your speech was indeed a very interesting and will involve all the participants in this event actively. Dear student, today we have with us a Secretary of OCTA, Dr. K.N. Puri sir, Professor in Chemistry in Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. I request him.
मैडम पुरी सर ज्वाइन नहीं हुए, आप नेक्स्ट लो सर ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं. हो गए बोलिए बोलिए.
I request him to Dr. Puri sir to share his view on this occasion. Over to you, Dr. Puri sir.
Very good morning to one and all. I pay my tribute to Goddess Saraswati, Honorable President of today's function, respected Dr. V.D. Nanuti sir, Principal Sri RLT College of Science, Apollo. Guest of honor of today's function, Honorable President of OCTA, respected Dr. P.R. Rajput sir, inaugurator of today's online university level intercollegiate seminar competition, respected Dr. S.P. Kulkarni sir, ex-professor and head Department of Chemistry, Adarsh Mahavidyalaya, Dhamangaon Railway, convener and head of department, Dr. P.T. Agrawal madam, organizing secretary, Dr. P.R. Kaude, judges for the competition, Dr. N.H. Bansur sir and Dr. N.S. Gadu sir, and all honorable executive members of OCTA. Indeed, all the student participants who participated in this competition, you are the chief guest today. You are the ones because of whom we are having this occasion. We welcome you and your escort teachers who have brought you here. I am honored to be invited for this online university level intercollegiate seminar competition. All of you know that because of pandemic period, we are unable to organize this competition offline. Every year, Octa organizes different competitions for the students, such as Chemic Quiz competition for BSc Part 1, Seminar competition for BSc Part 2 and Part 3, Aptitude Test for BSc Part 3, Seminar competition for MSc 1 and MSc 2, Research Activity competition for MSc 2, and recently, since from the last year, we have added one more competition, that is Motivational Science Workshop for UG and PG students. The presence of all the participants is important. All of you might not win the competition, but you have sparked the spirit of scientific temper in yourself. Please continue to burn that light of chemistry. The responsibility on all of you as a student is to bring glory to our country. We are intelligent, we are hardworking. We just need a push in the right direction. It is an attempt of Octa to give a push in the right direction. On the behalf of Octa, I am very much thankful to College Akola for providing necessary facilities to organize this competition. I am also thankful to Dr. P.T. Agrawal Madam, Dr. P.P. Devate Sir, Dr. P.R. Kaude Sir, Dr. Ashish Saraf Sir, Dr. Heda Madam, Dr. Devate Sir, Devtade Sir, and Dr. Zaite Madam, Zaite Sir, for arranging such a nice event of Octa. At last, warm wishes for all participants to you and your colleges. Anything you want to do in the field of chemistry, we are all here to help you. Have a wonderful future, and thanks for participating in such a nice competition. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Dear student, we are back with the team of jury members to judge this competition. I would like to invite respected Dr. N.H. Bansod sir to express his views about this competition. Over to you, Dr. Bansod sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, respected Chairman Nanoti sir. Good afternoon, respected E.R. Rajput sir, the President of Octa. Respected S.P. Kulkarni sir, my teacher, the Secretary of Octa, and the participant who participate in this activity. During the pandemic, this is an activity that carried out by Octa. In the whole activity, the presentation that had been prepared by the student, that was a good presentation, because the time is that given to the student is a very short duration. For 3 days, most of the students, they prepared a very good presentation. My only appeal to the student is that when you download because all the material are available in Google Meet or Google, but when we download something, at least you create or you add something that make a different from the all other. So whenever you download, all things are available. If any techniques are, if you put the any techniques, polarigraphy, you got presentation, a very good presentation. But what your creativity? So your creativity is what we can say. You can make some different. Okay, apart from that regular one, you add even something, put your point in that presentation. But most of the people, most of the students, they prepared their presentation in very good manner. So my appeal again, my appeal to the student is that when you go for the any topic, you have to read at least the basic concept and the application part. That might be very helpful in when you're facing the NET set examination. So generally the trend of the student is that to go for the NET set examination, they prefer inorganic and organic chemistry, and the most analytical chemistry they left always.
Organizing Secretary Dr. Praveen Kavde sir, all organizing committee member and dear friends. First of all, I am thankful to Okta for making available platform for students. Okta has a lion's share in the development of teachers as well as students. Okta has been arranging, inspiring, and motivating students through many activities and competition like seminar, quiz competition, science day celebration, group discussion, debate, etc. etc. for UG and PG level students to boost up their confidence and enhancing their knowledge. And today's event serves a best example of it. I would like to appreciate and congratulate the organizing committee of seminar competition and Department of Chemistry, RLT Science College, Akola, for organizing and executing a very successful, a fabulous online event. I think instead of taking much time, let me turn towards most awaited moment. Yes, the declaration of online seminar competition result. I really appreciate all participants and their efforts regarding presentation. They tried their best, no doubt. You are all stars. It was a tough callers to decide the winner. However, there would only be 3 winners. So with much deliberation between us, the final decision was taken based on the guidelines and marking system provided by organizing committee. So friends, be ready. Here are the result. I am starting with 3rd position. The 3rd prize goes to Miss Shrutika Kadam from RLT Science College, Akola. The 2nd prize goes to Miss Shivani Pandey from Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Akola. A huge congratulations to all winners and enjoy their prizes. Lastly, I am very thankful to Okta and organizing committee of today's online seminar competition for giving me a chance to be a jury of today's event. And also a massive thank to Dr. Nitin Bansod sir for helping me to judge the entries. Thank you, and thanks to one and all. Now I request Dr. Bansod madam to continue this session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, winners. Now it is time to listen from the participants. I would like to invite Ms. Shivani Pandey from MSc second year student, Shivaji from Shivaji College, Akola. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A very warm good afternoon to all the respected dignitaries present over here in this validatory session. I am Ms. Shivani Krishnakant Pandey, student of MSc second year from Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. First of all, I would like to thanks to the principal of Shri RLT College, Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir, and the principal of Shri Shivaji Science College, Dr. Vijay Thakre sir. I also would like to thank to the HOD of Shri RLT Science College, Dr. P.T. Agarwal ma'am, and the HOD of Shri Shivaji Science College, Dr. G.N. Chaudhary sir. I also would like to thank to the coordinator of Shri Shivaji Science College, Dr. K.N. Puri sir and Dr. P.R. Mandlik sir, and the mentor teacher, Dr. Y.S. Thakre ma'am, for providing me such a great opportunity to present my college in this seminar competition. I must mention here about the organization of this competition. Despite of less time, the organizing committee of Shri RLT Science College, Akola, endowed this event beautifully. The session from date 25 January to 28 January was enormously very interesting. Many colleges has been participated in this competition on different analytical concepts, and also it has been very beneficial for us in exam point of view. I ensure that each and every student who has participated here have enriched its quality of presentation. This competition emphasizes us to present and be prepared for the new era of digitalization. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Dear participants, now it is time to listen a very dynamic personality, the man of integrity and well-known academician, president of OCTA and principal of SS KR Inani Mahavidyalaya, Karanjalad, Dr. Rajput sir. I request Dr. Rajput sir to shower us with the words of knowledge and wisdom. Over to you, Dr. Rajput sir.
Thank you so much, Keki. It's a fine blend of inaugural and valedictory function of its own. Chief guest of today's seminar competition and our revered guru, Dr. S.P. Kulkarni sir, chairperson and one of my great friend, Honorable Principal, Dr. V.D. Nanoti, organizer of this event, Dr. Poonam Agrawal, Dr. Kaude, Dr. Devate, and entire organizing committee members, dear faculty members, jury members, our secretary, Dr. K.N. Puri, all other dignitaries present on this occasion, and student friends. I feel absolutely delighted to welcome you all to this event of seminar competition. It's hugely heartening to note that such a wonderful response to our call. I very profoundly appreciate your gesture of participation in this academic event. Dear friends, I am today reminding of the famous quote of Francis Bacon, that is, reading makes a full man, writing makes an exact man, and conference makes a ready man. Empirically, I can say that the greatest fear that man faces is of public stare. Here in this event, you will be able to overcome that fear as such of you will have the opportunity to present your ideas, your perspectives, and many others will be looking at you with some degree of serious attention. Making people hear something what you say is a great art. And if you succeed in convincing people, then you earn a huge confidence. I am sure you will get enormously benefited from this healthy academic interaction amongst yourselves. Friends, I congratulate all the prize winners and also wish all the participants for resounding success in their coming future. So all the best to each one of you. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of this excellent event. I am grateful to the principal and organizing committee of this competition for providing this wonderful opportunity to the students' fraternity. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay fit. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. You have broadened the horizon of our knowledge by your lucid and exclusive speech. You have motivated us by your words. Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to invite respected Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir, the principal of our college, for the presidential address. Over to you, Dr. Nanoti sir.
Thank you, madam. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the occasion of this online university level intercollegiate seminar competition for MSc second year students, which is organized by Department of Chemistry of our college in collaboration with the OCTA. The keynote speaker, Dr. S.P. Kulkarni sir, who was my teacher at the graduation level at the Adarsha College, Dhamanggaon. Guest of honor, actually the president of OCTA, P.R. Rajput sir, is my friend. Guest speaker, Dr. Ken Puri sir, secretary. The jury member, Dr. N.H. Bansod sir and Dr. N.S. Kadu sir. The organizing committee of our college, mainly Dr. P.T. Agrawal madam, Dr. Praveen Kavle, Dr. Devate, Dr. A.G. Saraf, Dr. Mr. Zaite, Mr. Devtale, and all the faculty members of chemistry department, Bansod madam, all the members of the OCTA, all the staff members of chemistry, and all the participant students. First of all, I congratulate OCTA for conducting a very nice event. Although in this condition of the Corona COVID-19 pandemic, this event organized very systematically. From last 2 to 3 days, what is the timetable given for this online seminar competition by our team? First of all, the step that was a link of video presentation that is obtained from the participant student on 25th of the January. Then video presentation of the student. This link is shared to the jury member on the 26th of the January. Then there is a systematic discussion on the topic of analytical chemistry among the jury member as well as the participant student. And today, the result of this competition, just now it is announced by jury member. The OCTA conducting the activity throughout the university. One of the part of this OCTA activity, because in my college, our chemistry, this particularly the unit, OCTA unit is very much active. And all the activities, so they are distributing at the university level, they are distributing the seminar competition, poster competition, oral presentation, and giving chance to all the colleges. Giving chance to all the colleges to work. What is the aim I am always observing is to propagate the subject chemistry and bring the unity in the chemistry teachers. And the topic it is given for the also beneficial for the betterment of the society. So last year, Dr. Rajput sir, I am very much thankful to OCTA because last year we have organized one national conference. That conference on the 24th of the January, and always the support is given. One of the collaborating collaborating agencies OCTA. Even in the COVID-19, this pandemic onset, there was one activity we have conducted, the online workshop on the research methodology for 3 days. Even then, we got your support of the OCTA. So I feel that all the subject is having the association in the university. Even my subject, microbiology, is also having the this association. But I feel that, sir, it is your unity, your guidance. It is one of the strongest association of chemistry in the Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. All the credit goes to you, sir, and your entire team. In the last month, I have observed, before actually 15 days, Dr. Devate, who worked as a member for the editorial board of the OCTA newsletter. That newsletter was also, the systematically events were presented in the newsletter. That activity is also very nice activity. Today, in this concluding session, particularly, Dr. S.P. Kulkarni sir, he said, rightly pointed out that the participation is very important in the competition. The participation of the student itself is giving a prize to the student. So it doesn't matter that who is the first, who is second in the competition, but the participation itself is a prize. And in the view of the Dr. Kulkarni sir, he said that it is a prize to all the students, and analytical chemistry, he also mentioned about the importance of the subject. The secretary, Dr. Puri sir, also given the moral support in his speech to all the participants as well as the organizing team of our college. Dr. Bansod sir, and he jury member, one of the jury member, he cleared the concept of the participants regarding the analytical chemistry. And what he said that this type of the competition enable the students to read the things, particularly in details about the analytical chemistry. This will be very useful for them for appearing for NET and SET examination in future. Dr. Kadu sir, just now you have given the guideline of this. Can you hear my voice here?
Yes, sir.
Just okay. So first is Dr. Miss Akanksha Pinjarka from Shivaji College, Akola, Miss Shivani Pandey from Shivaji College, Amravati, and third one is Miss Shrutika Kadam from RLT Science College, Akola. So I also heard particularly the concept of Miss Shivani Pandey. You are from the Shivaji Science College, Amravati, one of the reputed college. I congratulate your principal, Dr. Vijay Thakre sir, also, and your mentor and entire team of your college. Also, I congratulate all the participants. So, special my thanks to Dr. Rajput sir also. I congratulate entire the team of the organizing team. So, thank you. With this word, I conclude my presidential speech. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to Bansod madam.
Thank you very much, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to invite my colleague Dr. A.G. Sarab sir to propose a formal vote of thanks. Over to you, Dr. Sarab sir.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. Ashish G. Sarab, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sri RLT College of Science, Akola, present in front of you to propose vote of thanks. At the very outset, I would like to thank today's inaugurator and chief guest, respected Professor Dr. S.P. Kulkarni sir, ex-professor and head Department of Chemistry, Adarsh Mahavidyalay, Dhamanga, for their kind presence and motivation to students and us. Thank you very much, sir. I pay my sincere thanks to today's guest of honor, respected Dr. P.R. Rajput sir, President of Amravati University Chemistry Teacher Association, Amravati, and Principal, SSSKR Innani College, Karanja, who always encourage us to conduct such program which is helpful to students. Thank you very much, sir. I am also thankful to respected Professor K.N. Puri sir, Secretary of Octa, Amravati, and Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sri Shivaji College, Amravati, for their kind support and motivation during the program. Thank you, sir. I am also thankful to jury member of this inter-colleges seminar competition, respected N.H. Bansod sir, Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sri Shivaji College, Amravati, and respected Dr. N.S. Kadu sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Bharatiya Mahavidyalay, Amravati, for their valuable time and support during the judgment of student seminar. Thank you, sir. I am also thankful to our beloved principal, respected Dr. V.D. Nanoti sir, who is always stand behind us and support us for conducting the program. Thank you, sir. I am also thankful to respected Dr. P.T. Agrawal madam, Head Department of Chemistry and convener of this seminar competition, for their kind support and motivation during the organization of this program. Thank you very much, madam. I am also thankful to organizing secretary of this seminar competition, respected Dr. P.R. Kavle sir, who work very hard right from day one to till for making this program successful. Thank you very much, sir. I am also thankful to all executive members of OCTA and all teaching staff of our department for their kind support and presence. Thank you very much to all. Lastly, I am thankful to all students who participate in this online seminar competition, who is a key part of this competition. Thank you to all. Now, with the permission of chairperson, I declare that the program is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. It is time to say goodbye. Wishing you all a good health and wellness. Thanking you all on the behalf of organizer for being a part of this event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.